Hi! So, the last 10 days have been brutal to my facial skin. And that's because here in England, we have finally left winter behind and we have entered spring. And that means that the afternoons are getting hotter and the nights are still cold. In the last 3 days alone, we've seen our afternoons become between 21 to 23 degrees, but in the evenings, it still remains 0, even -1 degree. And you know, that's not good for your skin because the hot and the cold does damage to your skin. And while I wait for my skin to adjust, I need to help it maintain its glory by doing a deep clean, because even though with a great skincare regime that I follow religiously, it has already taken its toll on my face and it shows. Makeup doesn't stick as well. I'll find some creases here and there. I'll be very oily on each sides. I'll get spots now, which I don't normally get. And I would get really dry patches here and there. It's not been great. It's been horrible. So today we are going to be deep cleaning my facial skin because that is what I need to help my skin right now. It needs to recover and rejuvenate, and it needs help adjusting to the new weather coming in. Without further ado, let's begin. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to be steaming, and that's because I want to open up the pores on my face. This is so that when we start cleaning and brushing and exfoliating and scrubbing, everything that's managed to sneak its way into my pores will be taken out. All those disgusting gunk will be gone by the end of this process. Okay, so I have my steaming tool here. I've already put in my water. I'm just going to turn this on and it's going to do what it needs to do to my face. Okay, so now that my face has been steamed and my pores have been opened up, we're moving on to the next step, which is exfoliation. Now, exfoliation is very important because this serves as like a precaution or a preventive measure to not getting acne or spots. You're cleaning out all the gunk from your pores and it leaves your face super smooth, super soft, and even toned. Now for this step, I'm using Duvolle's Radiance Spin Care System. It's a water-resistant spinning brush that you can use while you're in the shower, and it's got 4 interchangeable brushes. So over here, you'll see the machine itself, and then we've got the large body cleansing brush, and then we have the facial exfoliation brush, and the facial cleansing brush, and a pumice stone. I love this brush because even though the other brushes have other applicators as well, either they don't spin or they too harsh on the face. It's very soft, and the fact that you can also use it on your body and that you can put a pumice stone on the applicator, it's very cool. To start off, I'm gonna wet my face with water, and then I'm gonna be using my salicylic acid face cleanser from CeraVe along with my facial cleansing brush and spinning tool. Okay, now that I'm done with that, I'm using Longis scrubbing cream and I'm gonna use my spinning brush again. So on my wet face, I'm just gonna lather that around and then use my brush. After I washed my face off of the exfoliating scrubbing cream, I'm going to move on to my daily normal cleanser, which is from La Mer, and this is just the cleansing foam, and my face is wet, so I'm just going to use my hands for this one because we've already put on intense pressure using the foams, and oh my god, this just smells nice. I promise you, this is like the best cleansing foam ever. So my face is only a little bit damp right now. So I'm gonna wet that a little more with water, but we're just gonna make sure that we are also sort of massaging it. Okay, so I've washed my face off of the daily cleanser that I use. And now the last step before I move on to my skincare products and creams and serums, which will not be in this video because we're just doing the deep facial clean, is we are going to close up our pores again. And for that, I am using Lancome's Rose Sorbet Cryo Mask, which I will put on my face for 5 minutes, exactly 5 minutes, no more, no less. And then we're going to wash out again with cold water. And then that's it. The pores are closed again and I'm going to have a brand new face. Just one fingernail scoop and pat it on the spots where my pores seem a little bit big. Now, it's very important to remember never to massage this on the face. You just pat it like that. And it's going to stay there for 5 minutes. And now we wait 5 minutes and wash it off with cold water. And I am done. So we've opened our pores, cleaned it out, scrubbed it, and then closed our pores again, washed it with cold water, and now we are feeling fresh. I feel like I'm myself again. I can definitely feel the difference. My face feels lighter. So having a deep clean really is very important, and we all need to do that every now and then because it's very vital that we take care of our skin, especially when it gets stressed from the pollution, the changing of weather, so on and so forth. And we need to help the skin adjust to the weather changes, and also when it gets too much for your skin to accommodate all these changes happening. So yeah, I hope you like today's videos, and I hope that you guys get to try the products that I've used today and the tools that I've used, especially Duvolle Spin Care brush. I really rate that product. So if you guys are interested in getting your own Duvolle's Radiance Spin Care system, you can check out my description box below. I'll be putting a link over there and you can go to their website and order your own, because it's very important that you look your best every day. So see you next time. Bye.